Almonds, we love them. Crunchy, nutritious, versatile, they're in our snacks, our desserts, even our health foods. But where do these little wonders come from? Most folks think California, and yeah, they're huge in almonds. But guess what? Canada's getting in on the action. Growing almonds ain't easy. They're picky about their climate. Warm days, cool nights, just the right amount of rain. Not exactly Canada's specialty. But Canadian farmers, they're a different breed. They see a challenge, they roll up their sleeves, think about it. Farming in a country where winter's the main event, that takes grit. Early mornings, long days, battling the elements. It's not for the faint of heart. But these guys, they're tough, they're resourceful, and they're finding ways to grow almonds where most wouldn't even try. Canada and almonds. Sounds kind of crazy, right? We're talking about a country known for maple syrup and hockey, suddenly producing this sun-loving nut. But here's the thing about Canadians. They don't back down from a challenge. They see an opportunity, they go for it. The problem? Almonds are delicate. They need a specific climate to thrive. Think warm, dry summers, mild winters, Canada's winters. Let's just say they're a bit more invigorating. Freezing temps, snowstorms, you name it. Not exactly almond friendly. So how are Canadian farmers doing it? Innovation, that's how. They're using cutting-edge techniques, some borrowed, some invented right here. They're experimenting with different almond varieties, figuring out which ones can handle a little frost. Cold weather is enemy number one for almond trees. The delicate blossoms are particularly vulnerable to frost, which can strike unexpectedly and with devastating consequences. One bad frost can wipe out an entire crop, leaving farmers with nothing to show for their hard work and investment. The stakes are incredibly high. Canadian farmers are fighting back with science and good old-fashioned ingenuity. They are constantly innovating and adapting to protect their precious almond crops from the harsh elements. One trick is planting wind machines throughout the orchards. These machines are strategically placed to maximize their effectiveness. These towering giants circulate warm air, keeping those precious buds safe from frostbite. Another innovation: protective covers. These covers act as a shield, providing an extra layer of warmth and protection. Imagine tiny individual greenhouses for each almond blossom. These covers are designed to trap heat and moisture, creating a microclimate that helps the blossoms survive the cold, keeps them cozy during those surprise spring snowfalls. These unexpected weather events can be particularly challenging, but the protective measures make a significant difference. And then there's the breeding programs. These programs are focused on developing new almond varieties that can withstand colder temperatures. Scientists are working hard to develop almond varieties that are more cold tolerant. These new varieties are designed to be hardier and more resilient, ensuring that farmers can continue to grow almonds even in challenging conditions. Tougher trees, same great almonds. These new varieties promise to deliver the same delicious almonds that consumers love, but with greater resilience to the cold. But it's not just about technology. Traditional farming techniques still play a crucial role in almond farming. It's about adapting, being resourceful. Farmers are constantly learning and evolving, finding new ways to protect their crops and ensure a successful harvest. Canadian farmers are masters of observation. They spend countless hours in their orchards, closely monitoring the health of their trees and the progress of their crops. They know their land, they understand the subtle signs of the changing seasons. This deep knowledge allows them to anticipate and respond to potential threats before they become a problem. This deep connection to nature allows them to make smart decisions, protecting their crops and ensuring a successful harvest. It's a combination of science, technology, and traditional wisdom that helps Canadian farmers beat the freeze and produce some of the best almonds in the world. Walk into a Canadian almond orchard, and you might think you've stepped into a sci-fi movie. Drones buzz overhead, monitoring tree health and soil conditions. Sensors collect data on everything from temperature to moisture levels, sending real-time updates to the farmer's smartphone. It's like something out of Star Trek, but for nuts. This tech isn't just for show, it's about precision. By using data to make informed decisions, farmers can optimize every aspect of almond production. Less waste, higher yields, and a more sustainable way of farming. It's about working smarter, not harder. And these innovations aren't just happening in big corporate farms. Small family-run operations are embracing technology too, finding affordable and accessible ways to incorporate these tools into their operations. It's a testament to the Canadian spirit of innovation, always looking for a better way to get the job done. Section 5, Beyond the Almond, Diversifying for Success. Smart Canadian farmers know, don't put all your eggs in one basket. They're branching out, literally, by planting a variety of crops alongside their almond trees. Think apples, cherries, maybe even some honeybees buzzing around for good measure. This is called companion planting, and it's a win-win. Different crops attract different beneficial insects, helping with pollination and pest control. Plus, it reduces the risk of losing everything to a single disease or weather event. It's about working with nature, not against it. Diversification isn't just about crops either. Some farmers are getting creative, opening their orchards to the public for tours, tastings, even weddings. It's about sharing their passion for farming, connecting with their community, and building a sustainable future for their businesses. Section 6, A Farmer's Tale Meeting the Challenge. Meet Sarah, a third-generation farmer in British Columbia. She could have chosen an easier path, something less demanding than farming, but the land is in her blood. And when she saw an opportunity to grow almonds in her province, she jumped at the challenge. It's not always easy, Sarah admits. We're constantly battling the elements, experimenting, learning as we go. But the look on her face tells you it's worth it. There's nothing quite like seeing those almond trees blossom in the spring, knowing that we're defying the odds. Sarah's story is not unique. Across Canada, there's a new generation of farmers, men and women who are passionate about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. They're not afraid of hard work, they're driven by innovation, and they're committed to producing high-quality food for their communities. Section 7, From Orchard to Table, the Canadian Almond Journey. This is a story of passion, perseverance, and the pursuit of excellence. So you're holding a bag of Canadian almonds. But do you know the journey it took to get there? Know what went into that? It's more than just a simple snack, more than just sunshine and water. It's a blend of nature's gifts and human effort. That bag represents dedication, ingenuity, a whole lot of problem solving. Farmers face countless challenges, from unpredictable weather to pests. It's a testament to the spirit of Canadian farmers. Their resilience and innovation are what make these almonds special. From those first delicate blossoms to the harvest, every step is a labor of love. It's about careful pruning, meticulous irrigation, and constant vigilance, and protecting those trees from everything Mother Nature can throw at them. Whether it's a sudden frost or a summer storm, farmers are always prepared. And then there's the harvest. This is where all the hard work comes to fruition. It's all hands on deck, families working side by side, passing down traditions and techniques from generation to generation, ensuring every last almond is collected with care. Each almond is a testament to the dedication of these families. But it doesn't end there. Those almonds are cleaned, sorted, and packaged, all with the same attention to detail. Quality control is paramount, all with the same attention to detail. Every package is a promise of quality and taste. And when you crack open that shell and take a bite, you're not just eating an almond, you're tasting the culmination of all that hard work, the essence of countless hours spent in the orchard, the flavor of Canadian innovation and determination. It's a taste that tells a story of passion, dedication, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Section 8, The Future of Canadian Almonds, a Growing Industry. Canadian almond farming is still in its early stages, but it's growing fast. What started as a small-scale experiment has now blossomed into a promising sector with immense potential. As consumers become more aware of the quality and sustainability of these locally grown nuts, demand is on the rise. People are increasingly looking for healthier, locally sourced options, and Canadian almonds fit the bill perfectly. And with it, so are the opportunities. Farmers and entrepreneurs are coming together to explore new business ventures, from almond-based products to eco-friendly farming practices. New orchards are popping up across the country, creating jobs and boosting local economies. This growth is not just limited to traditional farming areas. Even regions previously considered unsuitable for almond cultivation are now being transformed. Researchers are developing even hardier almond varieties, pushing the boundaries of where this crop can grow. These innovations are crucial for adapting to changing climates and ensuring the sustainability of almond farming in Canada. And Canadian farmers, they're ready. With a deep understanding of their land and a commitment to sustainable practices, they are well prepared to take on the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Armed with their trademark resilience and a thirst for innovation, they're poised to make Canada a major player in the global almond market. Modern farming techniques and advanced equipment are helping them maximize yield and efficiency. It's an exciting time to be a part of this burgeoning industry. The sense of community and shared purpose among Canadian almond farmers is palpable, driving them to achieve new heights. The future of Canadian almonds is bright, and it's being shaped by the hard work, dedication, and unwavering spirit of the farmers who are making it all possible. Their passion and perseverance are the true driving forces behind this growing industry, promising a fruitful future for all involved. Section 9. A toast to the almond farmers of the cold. So next time you're snacking on some almonds, take a minute to think about where they came from. If those almonds happen to be Canadian, you can bet they've got a story to tell. A story of perseverance, ingenuity, and a deep respect for the land. It's a story about farmers like Sarah, who are proving that with a little grit and a lot of determination, you can grow just about anything, anywhere. So here's to the almond farmers of Canada, the ones who brave the cold, embrace the challenge, and never stop innovating. You're the reason we can enjoy these delicious nuts, and your story is an inspiration to us all.